Good morning, students. My name is Kanchanwala. Students, as you all know, Unlock 5 has started now. So, we should wear mask properly, stay at least 6 feet from others, wash your hands frequently, always with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Remember to not touch your face. Do not share food or drinks with others. Students, today we are going to continue our topic work we do. In previous video, you knew about occupations and occupations in Indian villages. As you know, occupation is any work done to earn a living. People follow different occupations according to their needs, interests and abilities. Farming, rearing animals, poultry farming are the main occupations in villages. Today we are going to learn about occupations in cities. Okay? Occupations in cities. The various occupations practiced in the cities including working in factories and offices, working in hospitals, schools and colleges, and selling goods and services. Some people also work in movies, some write books, while some earn money by painting. Students, it means in cities, working in factories, offices, in hospitals, schools, and colleges, and selling goods are main occupations. Work in movies and write books are also source of earn money in cities. Okay, students, go to the next paragraph. Factories. Many people work in factories where raw material are converted into usable goods. For example, cloth is made from cotton, sugar and jaggery are made from sugarcane. Okay, students, it means in factories raw material are converted into usable goods. Okay, what are factories? Factory is a place where raw material are converted into usable goods. We get clothes from cotton, from sugarcane, sugar and jaggery. Many people work in factories to earn money. Next paragraph, handicrafts. Some people make handicrafts. They have special skills to work with things like fabric, paper, stones, clay and glass. Some common handicrafts in India are embroidery, knitting, weaving, pottery, doll making and paper craft. Students, handicrafts are also main occupation in cities. Some people have special skills to work with things like fabric, paper, stone, clay and glass. They make handicrafts. Embroidering, knitting, weaving, pottery, doll making and paper craft are some main handicrafts in India. Okay? Next, hobbies and occupations. There are certain activities which we enjoy doing in our spare time. They are called hobbies. They are fun. They help us to relax. Hobbies are of different types like music, dance, painting, as well as sports like cricket, football, and tennis. Some people take up their hobbies as their profession. Okay, students? Hobbies is an activity done for fun in a spare time. Music, dance, painting, sports are some famous hobbies. Some people take up their hobbies as their occupations. Is it clear? There are some differences in hobby and occupations. Let's know about it. Hobby is an activity done for fun, but occupation is a work that help a person earn a livelihood. Okay? Hobbies are practiced during free time. We enjoy doing our hobbies in our spare time. But occupations takes up most of our time during a day. Like your father and mother go out for work for whole day. Is it clear? I hope you understood the chapter. Let's recap. Occupation is any work done to earn a living. Animals rearing and farming are common occupations in villages. People work in factories, offices, and hospitals in cities. Okay, it's time for exercises and question answers. Number 1, true or false. Here you have to write true for right statement and false for wrong statement. Number 1, hobby is a work done to earn money. Hobby is a work done to earn money. Is it right statement or wrong? It's wrong statement. So we have to write false here. Number 2, some common handicraft in India are embroidery, knitting, pottery, doll making and paper craft. It's a true statement. So we have to write true here. 3, some people also work in films. It's also true. Farming is the main occupation in cities. Is false statement. Farming is the main occupation of villages. So it's a false statement. Next question answer. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Why do people need to have an occupation? Answer. People need to have an occupation to earn a livelihood to satisfy their basic needs. Number 2. What is dairy farming? Answer. Rearing of animals like cows, buffaloes and goats for milk is known as dairy farming. Next, question number 3. Name 4 ways in which wood is used. Answer. Wood is used to make furniture, paper, cardboards and matchsticks. Question 4. Why should we not waste paper? Answer. We should not waste paper because many trees are cut down to make paper. Students, papers are made up from trees. If we are wasting papers, actually we are wasting wealth of our country, that is forest. So we should not waste paper. Okay? Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.